Today, you will learn how to make website text to PDF with ChatGPT. First, open the website and copy only the main text, not ads or side content. Now, open ChatGPT. Paste the copied website text into the chat box. Don't just paste and wait. Tell ChatGPT what you want. This is very important. Use a simple prompt like this. Clean this website text, remove unnecessary parts, and format it like a professional PDF with headings and clear sections. Then press Enter. ChatGPT will remove unnecessary parts, fix the structure, and make everything easy to read. Once the content looks clean and well organized, select all of the ChatGPT output and copy it. Now, in the New tab, search Google Docs. Open the simple Google Docs link and choose Blank Document. Paste the text. Adjust font size if needed. Click File, Download, PDF Document, and your PDF file is now ready. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want more beginner-friendly ChatGPT and PDF-related tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.